Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet to your Robinhood. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Phantom wallet and then click on this send button from the home screen. Now from here you have to select the cryptocurrency that you're going to transfer. So I will just select the Ethereum from here. Then on the screen you have to paste the wallet address from your Robinhood. So open up your Robinhood app and then click on this crypto tab from the bottom of your screen. After that you have to click on this search icon and then search for the cryptocurrency that you're going to receive. So I will just search for Ethereum and select the Ethereum from here. Then you have to just scroll down and you will find this receive button, tap on it and then you will be able to get your wallet address. Click on this copy address button and then go back to your Phantom wallet app and then paste the wallet address in this area. After that click on next and then just enter the amount how much you're going to transfer and then click on next and then it will ask you to confirm this transfer request, and once you do that your money will be withdrawn from your Phantom wallet to your Robinhood. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.